Today in this video, I'll show you how can you make multiple YouTube channels using one Gmail. Follow carefully with me and let's jump right into it. First, we go ahead and open your browser and go to studio.youtube.com. You'll be taken to this website. Go ahead and zoom in to the top left and tap on the top left corner right here. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Wait for a couple of seconds, and now from here, go ahead and tap on Channel, and then tap on Advanced Settings right here. Scroll down from this window and go ahead and choose Manage YouTube Account right there. You'll be taken to your YouTube app. What you'll need to do from here is to wait for it to load up completely and then zoom in, and the option you were looking for is to tap on here on Create New Channel, and you can create your channel using the same Gmail. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.